Emojis took a long time to catch on in the US compared to many other parts of the world, but thanks in part to Apple's adoption of emoticon standards in the early days of the iPhone, they're everywhere. From ads to movies and even in chat threads with your parents, emojis have become iconic, and they make for a great way to express an emotion without having to type out specific words. If you're looking to use emojis on Facebook, you've come to the right guide. If you're on Android or iOS, all you need to do is use your keyboard's standard emoji library, just like you were texting. Facebook has support for emojis built into the app, and other users will see your emoji no matter what device they're on. Of course, if you aren't on mobile, you are not out of luck. Facebook has an emoji menu built into most entry boxes on the site. Whether you're typing a status or a comment, just look for the gray face near the lower right corner of the status box or the right side of a comment box, then click it to select an emoji. Make sure not to select the feeling and activity icon if you're typing a status. It looks virtually identical, except it's colored yellow, but will insert a feeling to your status rather than an actual emoji. Of course, Windows and Mac both have their own native ways for inserting emoji as well. On Windows 10, just right-click within a text entry field on Facebook, then select emoji at the top of the context menu to open Windows' own emoji selector. This box can also be opened just by pressing the Windows key and period key on your keyboard. On macOS, you'll also be using a custom keyboard shortcut. Make sure your text box is selected, then hit Command, Control, and Space at the same time to open the emoji selector. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Facebook and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.